It's like a 3D movie.
It's like straw. It's like oh shit, what's the name of that thing? Never mind.
I'm used to having everything corrected. My physicals are out of control right now.
Huh?
I went to put on the crooked snares and they always give me a headache when I would decline those, but they might have been pretty helpful out here.
Yeah. I wish there was a better solution. I mean, I guess I could just get contacts.
They say that if you get the surgery, it gives you like really bad night vision sometimes.
Oh yeah, especially early on.
Yeah.
You get a ton of glare, these lights would be messing you up. Memorize the trail.
You want us to trail?
That's right. Just put your suspension full soft and close your eyes. Put your suspension full soft, close your eyes and keep pedaling. Yeah, that's how I prefer it. Yeah, you should. Ride to the restaurant. I can't ride indoors, man.
I hear you.
Actually, I might eat my words if it gets colder than this.
Yeah. This week might be our last time to go.
To spin?
To dinner.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I got all winter to spin. Yeah, I got a trainer at the house.
Well, Kirk always goes, right? Kirk goes every week.
Yeah. Kirk goes to spend time in the house
Oh yeah.
5 days a week.
Huh. Good for him.
That's why he's 70-something years old and still rides like that.
Yeah.
He does like 14 every morning.
He's an inspiration to all of us.
And you ride with him and you forget he's like 72 years old.
I do. I would have pitched it, put him at 60s.
Ooh, I feel that.
You getting loopy up there? What the hell? Huh? Yep. Oh shit, I turned wrong. Whoops. Oh no. Oh shit.